The Insta360 One X is a new kind of camera. It shoots every moment from every angle in stunning 5.7K and 18 megapixels. Flow state stabilization is impossibly smooth. A 6-axis gyro means you don't need any gear. Just mount the One X anywhere, and your footage comes out like butter. Attach our purpose-built selfie stick, and it disappears from your shot automatically. Once it's gone, you've got a flying camera. This is Time Shift. Effortlessly control time and perspective. With stabilized 360, there are no limits. Mark off the best parts of your shot in any direction. The One X connects them with ultra-smooth camera movements. Smart Track lets you follow any subject and keep it steady in center frame. Bullet time puts you in the heart of the action. It's epic and easy. Suit up with the drifter case, then go airborne and capture impossible angles. The One X is a new way to shoot. Time and perspective are both yours to shape. Don't just capture the moment, own it.
This is your Yi360 VR camera. Let's take a look at how it works. Video time-lapse, Yi360 Wi-Fi, Bluetooth remote, system settings, and photo. Go to the menu settings and click photo. Then press the camera shutter button to take a picture. Go to the menu settings and click video. Then press the camera shutter button to start recording video. You can also use the mobile app to switch to other shooting modes. The Yi360 VR camera is compact and lightweight. You can take it everywhere you go. It also has an excellent edge-to-edge sharpness as well as wide dynamic range. Shoot 360-degree videos in spectacular 5.7K resolution. Yi360 VR camera offers amazing video quality with great optics. The Yi360 VR camera also has an excellent balance between exposure and color, even when dealing with a strong light source. It also has 4K in-camera stitching at 30 frames per second and 4K live streaming.
This is the Insta360 One, the camera that goes anywhere and sees everything. You can use it with your phone, on its own, or control it remotely with an app. It delivers 360 video in jaw-dropping 4K resolution and photos at 24 megapixels, so the moments you capture look as clear as they felt. Heading out on the water is easy with the One's waterproof housing. Life moves fast, and the One adapts. Thanks to 6-axis stabilization, the One gives you smooth video without sacrificing quality. You can broadcast 360 video live in 4K, so friends and family can be there with you. Here's the kicker. The One uses all new free capture technology. Free capture lets you call the shots and turn any 360 experience into a perfectly edited, classic-sized video, all on your phone. Smart Track follows a subject and puts it center frame, so that you can be your own camera crew. Attach our purpose-built selfie stick, and it disappears from your shot automatically. Once it's gone, you've got a flying camera. Which got us thinking, what else can you do with a stabilized camera and invisible selfie stick? For the first time ever, epic bullet time shots are easy. With the One, you can capture your story without ever leaving the moment. Relive an experience just as it happened, or go back, look around, and take the time to get the perfect shot. It's all there. You just choose what to share. When your camera captures everything, you only need one.
Communication, it's all about the details. A smile or a gesture will let you know what others think and how they feel. Because a successful meeting is not only about a perfect presentation, but also to engage with people and build trust to create better collaboration. Therefore, we developed Kandao Meeting, the 360-degree all-in-one conferencing camera. Unlike the standard conferencing camera, Kandao Meeting encourages a smarter and more intuitive meeting experience for remote workers. It makes them communicate as if they were in the same room with the team, talking face-to-face. Kandao Meeting utilizes a unique 360-degree camera to make sure everyone is visible and engaged in the meeting. Rather than crowding around a tiny camera, now all the participants can comfortably sit in a conference room of any shape or size. By using facial recognition, the camera will automatically focus on the speakers, making the remote meeting seem more natural. Kandao 360-degree conferencing camera ensures you can see clearly. With an Ultra HD imaging system, it captures panoramic video at 8K resolution to deliver outstanding clear streams. It'll dynamically optimize the exposure and skin tones so you can look great on video in any light. In order to keep the conversation flow, Kandao conferencing camera places 8 omnidirectional microphones on the top to receive sound from all directions, even a voice from 4 meters away. By minimizing the background noise, auto-leveling voices, and locating the sound, the high-quality audio system ensures everyone can be easily heard. Kandao Meeting offers 3 modes for various conference scenarios. Discussion. The camera highlights speakers and turns with a 360-degree view on top to show the whole room. Presentation. The camera turns to whoever is speaking and delivers an exclusive shot. Global mode. 2 panoramic videos to show all the attendees. Combining the video and audio together, a remote meeting can be super easy to set up. You just need to plug in the USB and press to start. Kandao Meeting will directly connect to any popular video conferencing platforms that you like. Kandao Meeting 360-degree all-in-one conferencing camera. Make remote meetings smarter.
Welcome to the future of video. Welcome to 360 Fly. The 360 Fly is our first offering to highlight this new platform. 360 Fly allows for capturing all of life's moments as they happen, missing nothing. No longer is video biased by the individual taking the video. No longer are some of life's actors left out. No longer does capturing and sharing 360 video require more than just one finger. Welcome to the future.
This is Fusion. It's arguably the most versatile creative tool ever made. Fusion has 2 lenses, one on the front, one on the back.
It's like having multiple cameras shooting in all different directions. You're able to get beautiful 5.2K footage out of this compact device that can fit in your pocket. As GoPro's new VR camera, Fusion is going to let people capture angles that haven't been possible before.
It's waterproof, it's mountable, it's got voice control, it works with the GoPro app. It's a GoPro.
The magic behind Fusion is turning multiple images into a single spherical image. we designed the camera with offset lenses for optimal stitching. With the stitch lines taken care of, you're free to enjoy your experience.
The stabilization feature on Fusion is amazing. It's got gimbal-like stabilization, but it's built into the camera.
Your footage is stabilized automatically, so you can relive the experience just as you remember it.
Fusion is not just a VR camera. One of the most exciting aspects of Fusion is what we call overcapture.
Overcapture is when you take spherical content and frame it to traditional video.
You can turn the camera around in ways that was never possible before with traditional GoPros. You're capturing everything at once and then just pick and choose the different angles you want after the fact.
With one camera, you can capture everything, and the GoPro app makes it easier than ever to choose your shots and direct your story later. With Fusion, you can achieve stunning visual effects like angel view, little planet, pano flow, and time shift. Fusion is the next kind of evolution of storytelling at GoPro. Immersive VR, super stabilized footage, stunning visual effects, and a new way of creating called overcapture.
Fusion's the first of its kind. This is ultimately where cameras are headed. You shouldn't have to point at what you want to film. You should just be able to film what you're experiencing. And Fusion makes that possible.
We all have our own journey and choose our own path, each with a unique story to share. Capture all your adventures and more with COOCAM. COOCAM is the revolutionary 3D stereo and 360-degree camera to unleash the way you shoot. COOCAM is the first camera in the world equipped with a state-of-the-art rotatable 3-lens camera, allowing COOCAM to not only record 360-degree 4K videos, but also 3D stereo videos. COOCAM comes equipped with shake-free technology, so your picture is always smooth. And its unique switchable structure allows you to effortlessly change modes to easily adapt to whatever the day brings. For every exploration, destination, or experience you share, COOCAM will capture all your most memorable moments, even at 120 frames per second, for amazing effects. Shoot freely with COOCAM. No matter how you position the camera, COOCAM will capture it. With 3D stereo lenses and the groundbreaking depth-based technology, you can even refocus and reframe the photos after you've shot them. Our editing app allows you to use incredible technology to not only discover the best shot, but enhance them to the next level. Live stream your 360-degree panoramic or your 180 degrees 3D space anytime, anywhere. Imagine an easy and simple way to record, edit, and share all your 360-degree and 3D moments, all in one place. COOCAM uses the most cutting-edge imaging technology. We pack incredible professional features into a small camera, giving you a powerful and revolutionary new way of thinking.
The product that is enabling me to do what I love the most recently is the Wonder 360.
With this, I can see in all directions everywhere I go.
Because it's 360, I can make it follow her movements.
It makes it really easy to bring the camera into class, set it down, and it captures the whole room. And that way I don't need a whole camera crew in order to get every part of my run as I go up and down, back and forth.
It works with all my old attachments, and it's waterproof.
Love the cool filters, artificial bokeh, tilt shift, classic.
The fact that the image comes out of this camera stabilized and I don't have to modify the footage with the computer is outstanding.
Her followers really love the perspective that this camera gives.
I also love the phantom clipper. It allows me to capture every part of a motion and easily analyze individual aspects of that motion and really show the students where they need to improve and practice.
And it's really easy to edit on my phone, a video that I actually want to share. I love it.
Meet the Orbit 360 4K camera, a unique design and answer to all-in-one 360 VR, with 2 fixed focus lenses housed in a futuristic and compact body. This model is actually 3 cameras in one. Use the front lens alone for 4K ultra-wide 197-degree traditional videos, the back slightly larger lens for dome or fisheye mode, or use the 2 lenses in tandem for fully interactive 360 photos and videos that can be stitched together in camera and uploaded to social media right away, or use our free software for 4K stitching. The Orbit 360 4K is sold in 2 bundle packs that give you plenty of accessories, allowing you to use the 360 camera right out of the box, which is an incredible value. Add Facebook and YouTube compatibility to share your photos and videos on the go, and you'll be the next social media star. Each pack comes standard with a camera, rechargeable lithium-ion battery, AC adapter and charging dock, USB cable, clear lens and rubber protective covers, mini Bluetooth remote control, camera case, and cleaning cloth. This camera takes a micro SD card up to 256 gigabytes for plenty of room to store your 4K files. The Orbit 360 is equipped with a stereo mic input, Bluetooth, NFC, and Wi-Fi enabled for added convenience. With the ability to shoot in burst mode, time-lapse, loop recording, and more, this 360 camera gives you plenty of options for every occasion in capturing what you love to do from every angle.
Shooting 360 video and virtual reality is now available for everyone. Capture your world in 360 degrees or 3D, just like human eyes. The Views XR combines a 360-degree camera and a virtual reality 3D camera into one compact, easy-to-use system. Make your own virtual memories from one of the biggest names in 3D and virtual reality, Human Eyes.